did it one. Almost stopped in my music when I was about to have my son. And it was crazy all the way from the beginning. I ain't want to show my face cause of fame, I wasn't feeding it. All I want was for my people to feel. All the lyrics that I write, there was a lot to reveal. Does this sound familiar? 做过手上够半年 Wrote that for my wife 作为从日记都 care I love that her the most that nobody would understand. Tears running down my eyes while she holding other man's hand. So now she's gone and now I'm sitting by myself. My son without a mother, damn I needed help. So I prayed it to the sky but then I get no answer. And for some damn reason music came into the cover. I didn't know what to do that night. Finger on the trigger, it was gonna be his last night. But then I look at then I see my son's eyes. Everything connected made me realize I didn't lose everything in my life. I still had my son in my music right. So then I forgave him and then I wait. Revealed that who I was, now I'm here today. I never thought that I would be in this position. I never thought I would turn out to be this person. That day when darkness came, the day that she left, that was the day that I woke up and everything went dead. All alone in the darkness, thinking to myself, all alone by myself. Damn, I needed some help. Should I keep myself unknown or should I let it all out? Should I just stop music or should I bring it all out? And for some reason I feel a touch deep in my soul. It seems like God wanted me to keep on going with the flow. So I showed him my face and then I came up on earth. That was the day Death Rhyme started his rebirth. Just let me continue on to the next verse. Got a couple confessions to spread out, it may hurt, but for me it's a lifetime pain I gotta take. Cause of you both, Death Rhyme is now awake. I didn't know what to do that night. Finger on the trigger, it was gonna be his last night. But then I look at then I see my son's eyes. Everything connected made me realize I didn't lose everything in my life. I still had my son in my music right. So then I forgave him and then I wait. Revealed that who I was, now I'm here today. Có những bóng để cơ giờ linh từ của chỉ thả tổ luôn bầy. Có ta luôn bỏ lìa, thả luôn bỏ luôn say. Và cô lưu nên bỏ, có bỏ bao lên tàu. Đầy ý tư ta, có bỏ cả lọ khờ. Có gì mua mong mà có, chỉ ít tu lý của nó. Vì gia tia, do lời tu, chỉ có thứ chỉ nhóm đời con. Chỉ lỡ tư, có khó tư, tỏ có vấn đề. Chỉ lỡ tư, chỉ cho có ta, chỉ mặc chữ tiêu vấn đề. Hãy có bỏ bao, có bỏ sâu. Lòng bảo lý gia, chỉ có yếu bê sầu tu. Lọ thì đồ hộ á, lần chỉ có yếu thì chỉ tàu. Lưu xì hờ, yếu có chỉ tàu lưu hư. Hãy tổ nữ tư tư, xa lô có tụ kênh xây, có ua bùa yếu. Có bỏ xa thì đồ á, yếu có bao thầu gió. Chỉ cho chơi, cú yên chỉ, ua đã chỉ đầu con. Cú mà lý kia luôn tu, châu chỉ châu con. I didn't know what to do that night. Finger on the trigger, it was gonna be his last night. But then I look at then I see my son's eyes. Everything connected made me realize I didn't lose everything in my life. I still had my son in my music right. So then I forgave him and then I wait. Revealed that who I was, now I'm here today. Cuộc bảo vệ để cơ dây nói chân gốc của show đâu có. Hai ta tranh chẳng chỉ tao ta cho lưu chạy mua thế nơi chạy chúa. Cấp của sáng đời có tụ khen vấn đề tàu cơ yên mù. Nếu bây giờ có yên thọ thì lời do lỡ có lỡ. Em có rong sẽ có lưu của mùa bật lò. Em có rong sẽ có lưu xếp bên do của lưu xua. Em quên lấy ta chỉ xa có rong vấn đề có quên lấy nó. Chỉ lúc của lò cứ tức chỉ xa cho hứa tụi mình nhổ lên lò. Em có chỉ bấu hay để có mua ít tụi mình tung dị lưu. Em có chỉ bấu cho bờ mua lên từ yếu lò lưu. Trời yếu mua lòn chạy lời yếu chỉ lương bảo lý có. Vì để có yếu nên nè có yếu tụi yếu nên lò. Ô luôn đẹp tay nó mình tung chạy yếu chỉ mua nè. Chạy yếu chỉ mua nè lò bưng đã xuống đĩa. Mình có nè của xa bấu có của tụ lưu xia. Ý ra mua sứ có của lưu nên bịa là tiêu. I didn't know what to do that night. Finger on the trigger, it was gonna be his last night. But then I look at then I see my son's eyes. Everything connected made me realize I didn't lose everything in my life. I still had my son in my music right. my son eyes. Everything connected made me realize I didn't lose everything in my life. I still had my son in my music, right? So then I forgave him and then I revealed that who I was, now I'm here today. I ain't never wanna come out, I ain't never wanna show my face. I didn't wanna go to the top. All I wanted was for my people to listen to my lyrics and understand me, understand my feelings, understand where I'm coming from. I was a married man, I didn't want none of that. But whatever happened, that's God's way, and He want me here. Death is awakened.